Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have a Boston Scally unboxing here today. As many of you guys know, I'm a huge fan of the trucker cap. I'm a huge fan of some of the seasonal caps. I did a post the other day about what your favorite seasonal time was, or things like that. To me, it's the Christmas caps. Some other people said it might have been Halloween or even the St. Patty's Day. St. Patty's Day has a lot of great releases. Same thing with Halloween. But we are going to do my next, which is my favorite line of caps, which is kind of like the Baker Boy. And so this is what they came out with. They released some that were called the Buffalo, even though I refer to those as called bison here in the United States. And, I get to see some of those here in Kansas sometimes at the, I guess it would be the northeast side of Kansas. We have some buffalo and they have a couple reservations there as well. But let's go ahead and get to this unboxing here. Pretty excited on this one. I did get both colors. I got the red and the black as well as the black and gray. And let's get right into it. Of course, we get the little Baker Boy thing that comes with all those little Baker Boys. How you knead the bread and all the other good stuff. And got the pin. I'm just going to go and get everything out of the box here first. And I'll go ahead and let the Ace play with that one because I know he's going to want to jump down there and get into there. Yep, there he goes. Here, I'll open it up for you so you can get in there better. That better for you, bud? There you go. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it here. They do come with dust bags. I actually got two dust bags, one for each cap. And that is what the dust bag looks like. Of course, it has the Buffalo, Boston Scally. It's got some muscles on it. There we go there. And, of course, the second one, I'm not even going to bother opening that one, but there's the second one I got. And I also got a pin. I only got one pin, and then I can just transfer it between caps whenever I wear it. And that is the pin there. Pretty cool looking Buffalo / bison, a.k.a. bison, American Buffalo, whatever you may want to call it. And the cap I got on today, this is the Harvest Land. I've had this cap for almost 2 years. And this is the first time I'm actually wearing it out tonight. I'm going to the Festival of Lights here in Wichita. And going to go ahead and get that on there. So, here is the red and black. Again, this is the Baker Boy. This feels a lot more heavy duty, I guess I could say. I'm going to take this out. This definitely has a little bit more of a rugged feel to it compared to the other Baker Boys. And it looks kind of large, too, because usually the Baker Boys, I always go to extra large on the Baker Boys. Listen to this. Hear that? That's how tight the fabric is on this brim. Inside, we got the Buffalo. Again, I got the extra large because I always get the extra large in Baker Boys because they run smaller. I'm hoping that's the case with these being a different fabric. And here is the black and gray. Of course, you got the Buffalo, extra large. See, this one makes that noise. Yeah, that one makes it as well. Man, I hope I didn't get too big of a size. This looks big. All right, guys. I'm not really 100% certain these are going to fit. But we're going to go ahead and pause the video, show you a close-up, and then we're going to try them on. I'll be right back. All right, so here is a little bit more of a close-up. Of course, the red and black really does pop. And, of course, you got the Buffalo there, Boston Scally. Here's the black. I'm going to show you the inside of this one here. I was talking about with the Buffalo. This is definitely a lot more heavy duty. And then, of course, we got the pin. Let's see if I can lay that pin out there so you can get a better close to that pin there. Look at that. He's flexing hard. Of course, I got a random thing there that's coming out. All right, so that is what they look like. A little bit more of a close-up. And now we're going to do the full try-on here. And like I said, hopefully they're not too big on me. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back, about to try these bad boys on. I went ahead to put the pin on the black and gray one because I thought it would blend a little too much in on the red and black. Oh, please hope these fit. All right, perfect. I was worried there for a little bit. I'd rather be a little bit large. This is a little bit loose, but not too bad. And I'd rather be a little bit looser than tight to where I have to stretch it out. But yeah, so here is the black and gray. And now let's go ahead and put the white one on. This one needs a little steaming on it, so we're going to go ahead and steam these as well. All right, let's go ahead and try the... See, this one fits perfect. All right, but yeah, here's the black and red. And that is one thing with Boston Scally is that this actually fits perfect on my head. They're both supposed to be 60 centimeters, extra large. I wear 59. This one fits perfectly. And this one here, I mean, it fits good, but it is a tad bit looser. But this one here is amazing. This one fits really good. And let me know what you guys like between the two colors here, between the black and the red and the black and gray. Also, I am in talks with a couple other reviewers who do reviews for Boston Scally or any kind of Scally caps, funky brims, shirt show. I actually was late to the game on one of our people that post on the page for Swisher Apparel. I got a couple of those caps coming, and I'm going to do a review on those. But yeah, so I'm actually in talks with a couple of reviewers, and we're thinking about doing a live stream of like just doing like 3-4 guys just going around a table, talking, getting to know each other more, show a little bit more of our background, and just reviewing some more caps and telling what our favorite caps, what caps are good. If you guys are interested in that and you guys will be looking at that, be interested in watching, let that know in the comments as well. Like I said, we're going to probably try to shoot somewhere in the middle of November to do our first episode. We still haven't got a name for the episode, but I do have for sure one person that is interested, possibly two. Antox Unbox, he's going to jump on the first one for sure with me. And we're going to try to get a couple others that I'm going to be reaching out to here shortly. And if you are a reviewer of Boston Scally and you guys want to jump on that live stream with us, go ahead and shoot me a message here or put in the comments that you're interested, and I'll be more than happy to reach out to you, and we'll arrange something to where I can get up to 4 people on a live stream. And then if it goes well, then I may upgrade to do Streamlab or something like that to where I get more than 4 people on here, and then it just gets bigger and bigger. I also wanted in the future, I also want to get to some of those people that do not do reviews, but have a ton of caps, like Tim, my boy Tim, he's a firefighter, great guy, and I'd love to get his on there. The guy's a genuine, just nice guy. But yeah, but if you're interested in doing that, reach out to me, and we'll arrange it. Okay, again, this is Reviews and Moose. Let me know what you guys think about these caps. And again, these are the Buffalo by Boston Scally, aka Bison. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.